Welcome to Forever Publishing Group. If you're looking for ways to make money online, you've come to the right place. Whether you want fast cash, long-term passive income, or a full-time digital career, I've got something for you. Let's dive in. First up, content creation. If you love making videos, writing, or entertaining people, this one's for you. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and blogging can make you serious money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. But here's the catch. You have to put in the work, and it takes time to grow your audience. The more consistent and engaging you are, the bigger your paycheck. Next, digital products and online courses. This is where you put your knowledge into a product once and keep making money from it. Write an ebook, create an online course, or sell digital templates. The grind is in the beginning, but once your product is live, the income becomes passive. Need cash fast? Try freelancing. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork let you sell skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, and virtual assistants. If you're good at what you do, you can start making money within days. But competition is tough, so you have to market yourself. Now, if you prefer making money without creating products or services, affiliate marketing and dropshipping are great options. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products and get paid commissions. With dropshipping, you sell products online without keeping inventory. These methods can bring in big money, but they take time to master. Love photography, music, or art? You can sell your work as stock content. Websites like Shutterstock, Pond5, and BeatStars allow you to sell stock photos, beats, or background music. The more high-quality content you upload, the more money you can make over time. Now let's talk about the high-risk, high-reward game, trading and investing. If you understand Forex, crypto, or stocks, you can make huge profits. But be careful, this is not easy money, and you can lose a lot if you don't know what you're doing. Learn before you invest. If you love gaming, why not turn it into a career? Streaming on Twitch or YouTube, selling game accounts, or coaching other gamers can make you real money. But here's the thing, competition is fierce, so you need to build an audience first. Last but not least, subscription-based platforms. You can create a paid community on Patreon, OnlyFans, or Discord, where people pay for exclusive content or mentorship. This works best if you already have a loyal following. So there you have it, 8 legit ways to make money online. Some take time, some require effort, but all of them can work if you stay consistent. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips. See you in the next one.